Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sorry something went wrong error in the Pragmata game. So if you're getting this error, sorry something went wrong, for solution please visit support.codefusiontechnology/anti-tamper Pragmata. So if you're getting this error in the Pragmata game on PC, then here follow the fixes. Now whether you're playing the game from Steam or from Epic Games Launcher, if you're getting this error, then here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first let us know what this error means. This error is most common in games using de novo anti-tamper. You can see the error, it is showing anti-tamper. And what is this de novo anti-tamper means? De novo activation limit means if the link in the error redirects to support.codefusion.technology, you likely hit an activation limit, usually 5 devices per 24 hours. This often happens when sharing accounts or making hardware changes. Anyway, here follow the fixes. Fix 1 is to modify the compatibility settings of Steam or Epic Games Launcher. So if you have the game on Steam, then perform this fix for Steam. And if you have the game from Epic Games Launcher, then perform this fix for Epic Games Launcher. So I am showing the example with Steam. So if your Steam is opened, then close your Steam. Also click on this arrow icon in the system tray. Right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. This will close the Steam completely. Now in the window search, type Steam and click on open file location. Then again right click on Steam and then click on open file location. And here you will find the Steam exe file. Right click on it and then select properties. And then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK. And then in window search type Steam and open it. Click yes to allow. Now you will see this type of error, Steam error. Just ignore it and then click on continue. Just wait, it is launching your Steam. And once Steam get launched, go to library and then launch the Pragmata game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Pragmata game and then select properties. Go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you have the game on Epic Games, then you can open the Epic Games and then verify the Pragmata game files and then check. Fix 3 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to the Intel website. Link is provided in my video description. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here. Enter your operating system and then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version of GeForce Game Ready driver, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then click on next. So check mark custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, it is must. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to wait for 24 hours for any game that uses de novo. As mentioned earlier, any game that uses de novo has activation limit, usually 5 devices per 24 hours. So this means that other 5 people had played the game today using the same account. To fix the problem, you have to wait for 24 hours and then make sure that you are the first one to launch the game and check, or simply purchase your own copy. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sorry something went wrong error in Pragmata game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.